How's it going, guys? My breakfast. Pop-Tarts. Getting ready to take a door panel apart here. Gotta take the panel off here because this lock, the other side was pretty stiff too, but it's really, really hard to move. Something's probably seizing up in there. And I did the other side, had it apart there and greased everything up, lubed it all up, and put it back together. And it didn't even have a plastic barrier there for the dust and all that stuff. But so I did that. That one's done. So I was just going to show you how the hell this comes apart here. It's a little bit tricky. And then on the other side they had screws here that somebody added. This side doesn't have it. Obviously the panel didn't want to stay on. So they added screws. Even this one here has a bit of a gap in here. You'll see there's a couple screws here. There's screw here, screw here, screw here. So this comes off pretty easily. And then there's a bunch of clips that are in the cardboard all the way around. And the cardboard's getting to be a little bit weathered on the other side just from moisture and humidity, and probably had rain and water getting in because the gaskets don't seal all that good. So then it kind of affects the door panel on the inside there. So anyways, so these, pretty sure these are original. These ones here, I think. Let's have a look. Where are they? No, maybe not, eh? Maybe not. Or maybe they're in the exact same spot on that side, but I don't see any in the front. So I don't know. Who knows? All right, so let's get going here. Let's get going. Set you guys up like this here. All right, so what I'm going to do here is take all these little screws out of here. Oh, these ones don't even hold anything anymore either. They're just kind of spinning into nothing. What I found out on the other side. They've probably been on and off about 345 million times. Yeah, it's a pretty cool car, but it needs some little bit of loving. Okay. Come on. Boy, we're getting a lot of snow already this year, that's for sure. Quite the storm there overnight, like a blizzard almost. I'm gonna have to get myself a cheap snowblower. Okay, so now we got these screws out. There's the three big ones here. Pop this off. Take the ashtray thing out of here. Come on. Kind of like so. And then it's just a big cavity in there. Now this handle here, as you can see, it's all one piece. I don't know why they didn't make it like two pieces in here somewhere. Well, that probably wouldn't have worked either, probably. Yeah, it would have worked actually. It would have worked. Because the guy could have lifted the door panel up above this part of the handle here. So, oh, I guess I can take this off. Look at this screw, barely, it's not even on there. Not even on there. Probably have to edit this video a bit so it's not too long and boring for everybody. This is a 63 Chrysler Imperial. Come on. I don't want to rip the fabric. This one's a little rusty. Looks like I might have a little bit of rust to fix on the bottoms here. How about this one? Yeah, it's a little bit on this one. Not too bad actually. The front doors are the bad ones, but that's for a later video. Okay, so what we do now is kind of lift this up here, and down inside, got to lift this up, and right in the back here at the bottom of the lever, and I can't really show you because I just can't really get the camera in here really. Let's see. So I don't know if you guys can see that at all, but there's a screw in there. Yeah, just down inside here, and that's what holds this on. So come on, what's going on here? What's going on here? Don't fall over on me. Okay, so I'm going to take that off. And it actually doesn't need to really come off. It just needs to be loosened up so it slides off the shaft. So, yeah, there we go. So it's loose enough now. It's actually almost off now already. So now I'm going to grab this here. And these are those old style metal clips that go around the edge here. Okay. Ah! I know I got my head in the way there. So you wanna... Okay, got that one. That one. You don't want to be just pulling on the door handle because you will ruin the cardboard. You have to feel where the clip is and put your tool in between where the clip is there. See? Right there. You probably can't see nothing, can you? So I just run my tool along the bottom here, see? Until I feel the next one. And then I kind of just put it in the middle there. And they come out. That. 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 Like that. And you got to be careful. You don't want to damage the paint either. I mean, if this thing's pretty, it's been dinged and all that, so it's not all that critical. But if it is, and sometimes what I do is I'll take a putty knife and put it on the edge, and then I'll use my tool. It's more important on the newer cars because the panels are got those big clips, and you got to apply a lot more pressure. These ones here come off relatively easy. You basically almost just got to basically twist your tool. You don't even have to pry hardly. Okay, so that's it for that. Is there one here? Yeah, one here. Okay. Now I got this. I got this here, and there's like a little clip on the sides here. You just got to push it, see, and then it comes off like that. Now I noticed the other side. Oh, this one's missing two. The other side was missing one clip. This side's missing two clips. So now I got to make sure I know what's the top here. So I'm going to mark this. Hold on one sec. Okay, so I got my little marker here. I'm just going to put a T here so I know it's the top. Just in case, eh? And then basically just might need a little tiny little flathead here, and I just kind of lightly, there it is, it's almost off. It was actually half off. So yeah, there's no retainer on here. So there's that. Okay, so now I can just push that in a little bit. Push that in. And there's a wire for the lighter over here. Pop that off. Okay, and then that'll go upwards here, and then the panel should come off. Come on. There we go. Okay. You see, those are the clips I was telling you about, see? And these things are only in cardboard, see? And look at how weathered the cardboard is. So it doesn't take much to, if you pull on the panel, this clip will come right, it'll pull the cardboard right off. Because it's old, right? So, and then I check, see, somebody's put, the other side I had too, see, somebody put this one in here, look, it's all crooked, because somebody didn't line it up, and then they punched the panel in to try and get it on, and all they did was bend it, so this one wasn't even in. I noticed there's a couple other ones here that'll need to be replaced, kind of like the other side, so that's really all it is, and, yeah, oh, and the back of this handle here, now I can show you what it looks like. See the handle? See how that's all this does is this, when you tighten the screw, this just squeezes down on the shaft right here. That's all that does. That's why if you take the screw all out, you might lose it somewhere. So you only need to like loosen it enough just so it doesn't come completely out, and that's it. This thing slides off. So that's really all there is to that part. Okay, so now I'm going to go around, and you probably don't really need me to be videoing me greasing all these components and all that kind of stuff. Oh, this is missing from the other side too. Oh yeah, well that's how that's supposed to be, hey? Interesting. Okay. Yeah, so this car's been tampered with quite a bit over the years, obviously. So, but I guess that's that, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and just get some lube worked into these things and grease them and make sure they're working freely, and that's really about it. It's just the mechanisms, right? Well, what I do is I actually take a little brush, and then with the grease, and then I'll go inside, get a bunch of grease on my brush, and then puts them in all the sliders and all that. But I do use penetrating fluid first, all the way around, and then I'll put some grease everywhere, that wherever it needs to be greased, every moving part, wherever there's friction, grease it. And then, you know, that's pretty much all the guy can do with it. So, alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. on how to remove a door panel from a 63 Chrysler Imperial. Alright guys, I'll talk to you next time. See you later. Alright guys, it's all back together. Everything worked out good. Greased everything. Even when you put your electrical stuff back together, put some dielectric grease on the connections just to make sure you got good contact. But this one here is a couple of clips missing, so it doesn't stay in place where it should exactly, but it's still good. Everything's working. The lock works good now. See? It's still a little hard. I think that's just the nature of it because the rod is so long for this little lever. If the lever was a little longer, it'd be a lot easier. But now it works. So, see? Nice! Nice! Let's see, is this up or is this down? There we go. Everything's working. So there you have it. That's about all there is. I just kind of added to the video a bit there, but if you like it, share, like, and subscribe, eh? And come back and watch the next one.